big yellow cat in my room.
It's an ocelot. An ocelot. Coming right near. An ocelot. An ocelot. Stay close, my dear. An ocelot. An ocelot. What shall I do? Just stay crouched. Go into the jungle. Stay crouched. Yeah. Stay crouched. Go into the jungle. Hold the fish into your hand. Wait till the ocelot comes near. Then when it's finally there, start feeding the fish to him. Then you'll start seeing hearts above his head. Then you will have tamed it. He will be your cat. The cat that scares away creepers and never takes full damage. It's an ocelot. An ocelot. Coming right near. An ocelot. An ocelot. Stay close, my dear. If you want this cat, just go into the jungle. Go into the jungle right now. Stay crouched and look for an ocelot. Then feed the fish to him. Make sure you don't go on route, or it will not work. Once it's got hearts above its head, you can know it be its pet. It will be its pet, your pet. It will be your pet. It's an ocelot. It's an ocelot. It's an ocelot.